Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Neuromuscular blockade. Classification of neuromuscular blockade are depolarizers and non-depolarizers. So, sequence of muscle blockade. Isolated muscle diaphragm is most resistant. Central muscles are first blocked, like muscles of head and neck are blocked first, followed by abdominal muscles and thoracic, that is respiratory muscles, and at the end the limb muscles are blocked. Sequence of reversal is also the same.
thank you and thank you for watching.